Welcome back to Gizmo Zone YT, where we give you our best advice on buying and protecting your favorite gadgets. Let's consider these tips for keeping your phone in its best condition. 1. Turn off Bluetooth when not in use to enhance security and prevent unwanted downloads. 2. Avoid exposing your smartphone to harsh weather conditions, including moisture and extreme temperatures. 3. Encrypt sensitive data stored on your phone to protect it from unauthorized access. 4. Use high-quality manufacturer-approved chargers to ensure stable and efficient charging. Regularly clean your phone's charging port and cable pins to maintain a good connection. 6. Stay vigilant against malware threats by avoiding suspicious app downloads. 7. Refrain from dropping your phone, as even a protective case may not prevent internal damage. 8. Avoid spraying your phone directly while cleaning it, as it may not be waterproof. 9. Charge your phone before the battery drains completely to extend its lifespan. 10. Skip battery optimizer apps and instead manage background apps and clear your phone's cache manually. 11. Keep your home screen clutter-free to enhance performance. 12. Use SD cards or cloud storage to prevent memory congestion. 13. Update your phone's software regularly to improve performance and security. 14. Download software only from trusted sources to avoid potential issues. 15. Don't keep your phone in your pants pocket, as it can lead to physical damage and heat-related battery drain. 16. Turn your phone off at least once a week to optimize performance, but avoid doing so when the battery is nearly empty. 17. Regularly clear your phone's cache to free up memory space. 18. Plug your charging cable into the port carefully to prevent damage. 19. Avoid replacing your phone's original battery with a cheap alternative, and ensure service centers use original parts during repairs. 20. Use a screen protector to add an extra layer of protection to your phone. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.